Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to change or customize the lock screen shortcuts on your iPhone 17. iOS lets users replace the flashlight and camera buttons on the lock screen. In this guide, we will show you how you can do it. Unlock your iPhone and long press on the lock screen. Then tap on the Customize button. This will give you access to the lock screen customization screen. Here, tap on the minus button found over the shortcut buttons to remove the existing shortcuts. Next, tap on the plus button to add a new shortcut. From here, you can pick from several options such as camera, flashlight, do not disturb, translate, Shazam, and many other controls. If you choose the shortcut option, you can assign any shortcut you have created in the Shortcuts app. For example, you can turn on smart lights, start a focus mode, open your favorite app, or run an automation. This gives you total flexibility to make your lock screen truly yours. After selecting your desired shortcuts, lock your iPhone and press and hold the button you assigned on either corner. You will see it trigger your new action right away, just like the default camera or flashlight shortcuts used to. And that's how you can change lock screen shortcuts on iPhone 17. It's a small but useful feature that lets you customize your lock screen and make your iPhone more personal and convenient. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.